nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook this low-carb cabbage and egg that you will surely love. Let's begin. We only need First, let's crack the eggs. Add salt and pepper. Beat it well, then set aside. Next, let's add some olive oil to our preheated frying pan. Then, saute the onion.
这一次，我真的睡着了。
Followed by our garlic. After sauteing, we can now add our cabbage. Mix it well and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Put salt and pepper. If you want it half-cooked, you may cook it in a shorter period of time. After 5 minutes, we can now add the beaten eggs. Mix it well and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. This is gonna be super delicious, plus it won't hurt our budget.
“这一次，我真的睡着了。”
Once cooked, we can now transfer it to our serving plate. Isn't that easy? Try it and enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.